Hi everyone, we're going to solve for x and we're going to do these 4 problems. And so we're going to go ahead and get started. So the first one is the square root of x plus 3 minus 2 equals 0. So what we want to do is to get this more simplified by adding 2 to both sides. So you get the square root of x plus 3 equals 2. And then what you want to do is square both sides. So this square root of x plus 3 is the same as x plus 3 to the 1/2. So when you square it, that leaves 1. So this kind of goes away there. So you have x plus 3 equals 4. Now we're going to subtract 3 from both sides, and we get x equals 1. Okay, and the next one is this one, the same steps. First, subtract 8 from both sides so we can simplify it. So we're going to get x minus 2 cubed, that equals 0, so we get 8 here. Now we're going to cube root both sides. So this goes away here, and we just have x minus 2 equals the cube root of 8 is 2. Now just add 2 to both sides to isolate your x. And we shouldn't have put that. So you're going to get x equals 4. Now the next one is more multi-step. So I'm going to first add 2 to both sides. So we have 2 times the cube root of x plus 2 equals 6. Then I'm going to divide both sides by 2 here. So I get the cube root of x plus 2 equals 3. And then I'm going to cube both sides. So this will eliminate that. And you get x plus 2 equals 27. And finally, to isolate x, I'm going to subtract 2 from both sides. So I get x equals 25. And the last one is this one. So to solve for x, we first have to get our least common denominator. This right here can be written as x plus 3 times x minus 3. So what I can do, since it has an equal here, is I'm going to clear the fractions. What I'm going to do is multiply each of these terms, the quantities, by my LCD, least common denominator, which is this. So I'm going to take 1 over x plus 3 plus 1 over x minus 3 equals 2. Let me move this down a little bit. 2 over x plus 3 times x minus 3. Now to clear the fractions, I'm going to just multiply by my LCD. So I'm going to multiply this by x plus 3 times x minus 3. So each piece, x plus 3 times x minus 3, and this one, x plus 3 times x minus 3. And then what you get is this cancels, the denominator cancels with this, so we're left with 1 times x minus 3, which is just x minus 3. Here, these two cancel, so you have 1 times that one, the x plus 3, so that's going to be x plus 3. And here, these both just cancel, so equals 2. And we just cleared the fractions. Now, the 3's cancel, and we have 2 of these x's. So we have 2x equals 2. Divide both sides by 2. So So you get x equals 1. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.